DroneDeploy just got better. It just became one of the best platforms that you can use if you're using it for mapping or surveying or anything else like that. So if you are using RTK or you want to use RTK but you don't want to spend money on RTK, then watch this video. Hi everyone, Stephen from the Flyby Guys. It's good to see you again, and we're back talking about RTK. Now RTK is a level on top of GNSS which gives you a little bit more accuracy, and you're down to centimetre accuracy when it comes to doing things like mapping, or if you want to do 3D models and or any kind of surveying at all. So RTK is very useful. Now RTK is only available on the enterprise drones. So anything that you're using with an enterprise, then you will have RTK. Now, for example, on the Mavic 3 Enterprise, you have the option of RTK. You can buy an RTK module separately. But if, for example, if you're into the Matrice series, for example, the new Matrice 4 series, you will have RTK built into the drone, so you have the actually have the ability to use RTK out of the box. Now, for most of you, you might be using the DJI RTK system that you have to buy, or some of you might be using the RTK cloud systems which are available, and they're on a monthly subscription that you can get. But DroneDeploy just gave us a new update where you get an RTK for free. And that's actually really, really good. So they're making use of the RTK broadcast, which every country tends to have. But yeah, so, and I've noticed this. Now, there was actually an announcement, I think it was in January of this year. But over the past maybe 4 or 5 months, I've noticed that when I put it on, when I put DroneDeploy on, I was getting an RTK signal. And I'm like, where's that? Like, because I didn't have it activated. But then they just released a press release saying that they are actually broadcasting RTK, or they're having the ability to have the RTK service into there. Now, all you have to do is to have your controller connected to your phone or any other network cell device, which allows you to have a network connection. Once you have that, you then wait, and then you should be able to get the RTK signal, and that will allow you to connect to the RTK on the drone. Now, again, if you have an RTK module on your 3 series or even the 2 series or advanced, then of course you will then get it. You must have an RTK unit on the drone. But again, for the Matrice, you will obviously have this. Now, this is great because it actually saves a bit of money for you. So it allows you not to have a subscription or not to buy hardware, but you are relying on the cell connection. So, but if you don't have a cell connection, then this will be a problem for you. So sometimes it can be difficult. So if you're in remote areas, such as if you're doing wind turbine inspections or whatever it is, you might want to use the DJI RTK system as well. But if you're confident, if you're in built-up areas and you're using the cell broadcast, then of course that's fine. Now you'll see this immediately. It will give you an indication that the RTK is not connected. Again, if it's not connected, that could be because you've actually dropped the cell connection. Make sure you have the cell connection to your controller. And then you'll see everything will turn green, and then you'll have your RTK connection, and it's that simple. So, are you going to be using this now? I think this is a great piece of value for DroneDeploy to add to their offering within the platform. Is really good, and it's free. Now you can see that this is available in North America. It's available throughout Europe, and it's available in South Korea and some parts of Australia as well. So it's not everywhere, but it is available in many countries. So let me know if you've noticed this. So like me, I noticed it a while ago, but I didn't really know why I was having it, because I didn't have it activated. And then of course it was activated. This is why, because they had obviously been rolling it out before, and then once they were confident, then of course they would just release to everyone. Anyway, hope this was helpful. RTK only for enterprise drones, so please don't comment that you want to have it on your Air 3S or your mini series because you don't have RTK on that. Okay, so we'll see you on the next video. Please like and subscribe. I know a lot of you are not subscribed to the channel, but you really should be for these good updates. And we'll see you on the next video. Fly safe.